Hey friends, this time we are in Valparai and we are going to a privately estate bungalow called Stanmore. I know, traveling during COVID time is something comes with lot of uncertainty. But trust me, once you get into this property, you will feel the real peace. This bungalow is constructed in 1935 with a stunning view of tea garden and river. Away from busy life comes to a reality now. It's kind of an escape from the city life, and you will really feel that once you reach here. Wow, the room is really beautiful. It has elegance with simplicity. The estate has a bungalow with 3 rooms and many wooden chalets and wooden suites. The most impressive vantage point is the bungalow, which has a big room with large changing room and a shower area. And you will see all the old and antique furniture in every corner. This gives a heritage and a premium feeling. It's morning 6 now and you can hear the birds singing. It seems someone playing the flute. Here you can feel that the silence is really beautiful. On top of that, listening to the songs of the bird gives you a beautiful, refreshing feeling. This bungalow is isolated by nature, mountains, and has scenic surroundings. Here you go. We spotted a wild animal. Not sure what is it, but looks pretty. It's all misty and cloudy. Really spectacular view in every turn. It's ideal for people who wants to go away from the busy schedule and want to be with nature. Incredible. I'm sure you will really like the nature, calmness, and the peace. When I get to a place, the one thing I look forward to is the food. Here you will get a mix of colonial British cuisine and of course an Indian menu. They have both buffet as well as a la carte menu. Yes, they have live counter too. So you can order food of your choice. Here they provide a guide for you to go for a tea estate walk. If you like, they can take you to the tea factory for a visit and also near to a beautiful river stream. Good thing about this bungalow is still they maintain the old furniture and antique things. They have a clubhouse with indoor games. For sure, you will never get bored here. If you want privacy with a panoramic view, you can book the wooden chalets. It's really peaceful. This will give you the me time if you are alone or the family time if you are with the family. Finally, here is our evening snacks. Kids really enjoying a lot here. Next time you are looking for an escape from the busy life, then you may try Stanmore. Finally, I will say, no camera is better than your eyes. It's not possible to show you the real beauty through camera. Try it and feel it. You will get all the information and contact details in the description section. Please do like and subscribe the video. Bye.